You ripping deals, dude?
Not yet. I'm just getting started.
Okay, how long you been doing it?
Like 2 months ago.
Okay, are you making dials?
No, not at the
All
moment.
right, then how did you just get started if you ain't made a dial? You ain't started yet.
Well, when I started, I was dead broke, unemployed.
That's okay.
And then I got
All
I got
you
back
need
into
is
work.
fucking Zillow and for sale by owner, bro. There ain't no excuse.
Yeah.
I got a guy right now that's since April, he's done 227,000. He hasn't spent $1 on marketing.
Yeah.
So being broke ain't an excuse. That should be fuel to your fire.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. 100%. No, I know you preach FSBO a lot, and
That's just for the broke people that ain't got money for marketing.
yeah, which I don't right now, but working towards that.
But dude, it shouldn't stop you from picking a phone up.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's why I always ask, how long you been doing it? I ask everyone that, how long you been doing it? Have you got a deal yet? No. Have you picked the phone up? No. Well, you ain't fucking started yet.
Right. I haven't even done anything.
Dude, you got to pick the phone up and just start calling homeowners.
Yeah.
You know, these deals don't find us, we find the deals.
Right. 100%.
So, dude, dude, you can literally take a Google sheet, go to a for sale by owner in any fucking market. It don't matter. Dude, Texas, fucking Ohio, North Carolina, Florida, start clicking and pasting all the Zillow links, for sale by owners, and make yourself a list. Add like 15, 20 of them a day.
Yeah.
Dude, by the end of the week, you have
market.
100 fucking leads. And then you're going through and ripping those leads nonstop. Then you start another Google sheet, and when someone answers and you make your offer and you're negotiating, move that to another Google sheet that says hot lead. And then that's your follow-up leads. And then you go back, every day you're adding 15 to 20 for sale by owners. Dude, before you know it, you got hundreds of them. That way you can hit your daily KPIs, where you're dialing 60 numbers minimum a day. You're getting 3.5 hours of talk time. Like, dude, being broke is temporary.
Right.
But you got to get to work.
Yeah. What's the best time to call?
Anytime.
Any time of the day.
Yes.
And so if they're not picking up on the first dial,
No.
how many times after that? And then like, what's the follow-up sequence?
A registered call for me is where you let a phone ring a minimum of 3 times. So as long as,
So 3 rings.
yeah, dude, you want to rip through fucking calls, dude.
Yeah.
It's a volume game. Right now, you have no momentum.
Right.
Momentum isn't given to you, it's earned. So you got to earn your momentum.
Yeah.
And that's making a fuck ton of dials, getting a shit ton of talk time, and making a minimum of 3 offers per day. That's how you do it, bro. Don't overthink this shit.
Yeah.
Fuck YouTube. You know enough right now to pick a phone up and make calls.
Right. 100%.
Right?
And then you preach scripts a lot.
Yeah.
What script would I use?
Mine. It's the best in the game.
FSBO.
Mine.
Yeah.
Best in the end. No, I know I do. Yeah. Ask anyone that has my script. Watch. I bet you someone here. Who has the best script in the game?
This guy.
There you go.
Cool.
They said it, not me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right? How old are you?
23.
23, dude. You just need to get started. You need to get started. Stop thinking about this shit.
Thank you.
You know what I mean?
Yep. No, you're
Yeah. You want to
Just
know,
gotta-
and I'm saying this respectfully, you're broke because you haven't taken action.
Right.
That's it.
Can't stay that way either.
You can't stay that way. Dude, the hungry wolf climbing the hill is usually the hungriest. You just got to get hungry.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah. This is really easy. People just overcomplicate it.
I know, because right now there's so much out there, and so I feel like it's very easy to like over consume.
Yeah.
All of this.
Yeah, well, stop consuming and start doing.
Right.
You've consumed enough.
Yeah.
It's actually fucked you up.
Yeah. A little bit.
Yeah.
But-
Well, no, I know it has. It happens to so many people.
I know. That's why a lot of people quit, right?
Yeah.
They just,
Or
can't
don't
handle
start.
it. Or don't start.
Yeah, worry about the first problem, and that's picking up the phone. Second problem is having conversations. Third is making an offer. Fourth is getting a contract signed. After that, now you got another problem, and you got to learn how to dispose something. But don't worry about any of that until you get to that problem.
Yeah. Because those are all later problems. You just gotta
Yep.
worry about the one that's
One at a time. Right now, you got to pick the fucking phone up.
That's right. Cool.
It's that simple, dude.
Yeah.
KISS, what's that stand for?
Kiss.
Keep it simple, silly.
Keep it simple.
Quit overcomplicating this shit.
Love it.
All right?
Thank you.
You got it.
Appreciate it.
So I'm not just talking to him. I'm talking to all of you. The ones that think you're getting started by doing all this research. YouTube University. Get off the scrolling and let's get in the game. What do I mean? We need to pick the phone up, start making the dials, and follow a play that's already been proven. text the number below. And what I want to do is personally get on a call with you and show you how to stop thinking about it and start doing it. Text the number below. Hey, what's going on? I want to congratulate you for making it to the end. What does that mean? You're in the 1% club. No one else stuck around. You did. What I want you to do is subscribe. More importantly, comment below. That way I know exactly who you are and we can get to know one another. Every single week, by you turning your notifications on, you're not gonna miss the sales training that's gonna keep you in this 1% club. Comment below, subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Let's continue to refuse to lose.